Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to set your Dropbox default notifications to alert on your phone. This ensures you never miss important updates from Dropbox by receiving clear and timely alerts. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all your app preferences and notifications. Next, scroll through the settings until you find Apps and tap on it. This section lists all the applications installed on your device. From the list of apps, look for Dropbox and select it. This will take you to the app-specific settings. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, you manage how Dropbox sends you notifications, including sounds, banners, and alerts. You'll see an option called Notification Categories. Tap on this to access detailed notification controls for Dropbox. Among the categories, locate the one labeled Default. This controls the main notification style Dropbox uses. Finally, tap on Default and choose Alert as your notification type. Selecting Alert means your phone will actively notify you with a pop-up or sound, rather than just silently showing the notification. That's it. You've successfully changed Dropbox's default notifications to Alert. From now on, you'll get immediate and noticeable alerts whenever Dropbox has something important to notify you about. If you ever want to adjust how Dropbox notifications appear or turn them off, just revisit these steps in your phone's settings. Keeping notifications on alert is a great way to stay informed without constantly checking the app. Thank you for watching.